All right, Will. I don't know how you might have some feelings about this one. How about a McDonald's burger made by a Michelin star chef?
Huh.
How about rather than a celebrity partnership with Travis Scott, how about you partner with the Michelin chef in Denmark and you put together, by the way, chef by the name of Paul Cunningham, the country's most renowned culinary genius. I don't know how they know it's the most. Anyway, he made a high-end burger for the chain's latest limited time offer. And it ended up selling out in just a few weeks due to its overwhelming popularity. All right, now let me read this burger to you. You tell me what's going on, all right?
Okay.
Here's what the burger is. It's called the home-style béarnaise. You have a beef patty layered with béarnaise sauce, potato sticks, smoked onion puree, roasted onions, lettuce, and cheddar cheese, served atop a brioche bun. Break it down, Willie Do.
Well, just judging by this image here, it looks pretty delicious. It looks hearty.
Break it down, Willie Do.
And béarnaise sauce. What is that again?
You put that on the
is it like
eggs,
the hollandaise
Benedict.
kinda?
Oh, wait, that's hollandaise. Yeah, what is... Oh, no, béarnaise, you have it with a steak. Have you ever been to, like, Ruth's Chris?
Right. Is it?
It's a creamy...
Oh,
thing.
yeah. It's great.
It's a
even
creamy
better
sauce
now
on the side that you normally
I
would
know
be
what it is.
normally a steak. Now I don't know if does he mod the patty as well?
Well, it's a brioche.
No,
I'm
the
sure
patty,
he has
the
some,
beef patty.
Oh, the
like does
patty.
he mod the seasoning? It looks thicker than a typical McDonald's patty,
Right.
or is it just the quarter-pound patty and then he's responsible for the toppings?
Yeah, that would be kind of depressing if he didn't modify it.
I mean, I assume he modified it. Okay, béarnaise sauce. It's a child of hollandaise, one of the so-called mother sauces of French cuisine.
Hollandaise.
It is simply an emulsification, egg yolks and butter, cut through with vinegar flavored with tarragon and shallots and a bite of black pepper. There's your béarnaise for you, Willie.
Yeah, I'd totally be down. How much is it?
Okay, you'll be down, but I don't know the price, but I'll tell you the problem over here. Some people are very upset. This guy's peers are like, how dare you? You're about to
Right.
fine cuisine. You can't collab with McDonald's. Listen to this. It's drawn controversy. According to Rob Report, acclaimed chef Christian Puglisi has characterized Cunningham's partnership with McDonald's as a betrayal of values. You cannot participate in symposiums. You cannot talk about quality produce. You cannot discuss and try to communicate cooking culture, traditional dishes, and homey cooking on one hand, and on the other hand, be an advocate for the worst garbage that is produced and called food at the same time. This was on an Instagram post.
Okay. Well, I would say why not? Like, wouldn't this be a challenge for a chef
Oh, Willie Doo's upset.
to, you know,
Oh, this guy just upset.
bring
Willie
in
Doo.
culinary arts to McDonald's?
Never saw you like this, Willie Doo. You're going head to head.
I would give him mad respects for that.
You're going head to head with Puglisi right now. I feel like that guy knows food. I don't want to go head to head with him.
Okay, well,
You're going. You
you
just
can
went.
come talk to me on Clubhouse. We'll have a chat, you know?
No, I know. I hear your point. I think you make it a point either way. You
Yeah.
could say, look, maybe somebody eats that McDonald's burger who's never tried a finer, more quality type of cuisine for whatever reason. It never worked out for them. Then they try that. They're like, who's the collab? Then they go down the rabbit hole, and all of a sudden they're experimenting with more flavors and foods and
Yeah.
ingredients that are sourced a different way. And that's a part. You can make that argument. On the flip side, what this guy's trying to say is no, because you're making more sales for McDonald's and you're taking the eyeball off of us who in the restaurant business are dying right now. The chains are doing okay.
Yeah.
The big dogs are eating.
Yeah. Maybe this is ill-timed during COVID, you know?
Okay.
But this is actually could be like a good shot.
Hey,
Like,
man, I'm
have
just saying
the
both
great
sides.
chefs and then
I'm
work
just
on
saying.
fast
I'm just
food.
saying both sides.
Yeah.
See my hands? They're up. I'm just saying
I
both
see
sides.
them. Both of them.
I'm not trying to beef with Puglisi. You are, not me.
Yeah.